Well, hey there, it's Catherine from CatherinePopular.com. We're going to use the Here We Come a Caroling stamp set. I made this card on Facebook Live recently, and now I'm going to use it to make a Canvo bullet journal spread. I'm going to use the music notes first, and this is a great just kind of line long border stamp to use to break up my page into the various sections that I want. So super easy, right? This is a layout that I've used before, and usually I just take a ruler and draw my lines, but I thought that music staff would be perfect. So just stamp it across the bottom. I didn't worry too much about placement. I just, I didn't count the dots or anything. I just did it toward the bottom third, I guess. And then I'm taking that really cute, funky Christmas tree, and I stamped it with lime Rickey. I inked it once, and then I stamped it. And you can see when you stamp it multiple times, you get a lighter shade of the same color. So you're getting double or triple or even quadruple duty for your one ink pad when you do that. So I also did Be Mine, and then I did Fiesta Blue, and then I'm going back to the lime Rickey. Now, with the spiral bind, I always remind you guys, because you see, I forget all the time. I forget that I need to move my stamp over to the very edge of the block so that I can get my stamp in there close to the spiral bind. So then I'm going to stamp the little girl and the little dog. I have 3 teenage girls at home, so I love this little girl. My girls aren't little anymore, but it represents them for me. And then, of course, my dog Eli. And then this park bench. Oh my goodness, how adorable is that? So this is a holiday stamp set, but with this park bench and this cute little squirrel, think outside the box. You could totally use that for spring, summer, fall, any season. And then I'm always a sucker for Santa, sleigh, and the reindeer. So we're just going to stick him up in the corner, stamping that in Midnight. Now remember, our Midnight ink pad is archival. It's a permanent ink. It will stain your stamps. A sign of a good quality stamp is that it stains. So when you get staining like with reds or black, don't worry too much about that because, like I said, it's showing quality. But also just be sure to not push down too hard on your ink pad because our ink pads are a little squishy and then you'll get ink all over the place. So then I did my vertical lines, and I'm separating this out to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and all the way up into the Christmas weekend. So I think this is a perfect layout for the week before Christmas. I hope you guys are inspired by this layout and you are stamping in your Canvo bullet journal. And I'm just adding notes down here, which I thought was cute and appropriate to go under the music notes. So if you are new here, I hope you will subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and if you are bullet journaling, and if you are stamping in your bullet journal, and if you have any questions and any certain videos that you'd like to see come out. Thank you so much for hanging with me. I will see you soon.